can ride in the clouds on the birds that we rule, but that isn't enough, and temptation is cruel. Though he flies where I will, still he's carrying me. I crave something more, I need to fly free. I can stand in midair by the strength of my will, but that isn't enough, and it doesn't fulfill. For I tire too soon, and I fall from the sky, and I don't truly soar, I don't truly fly. This true passion for flight, how I yearn for the freedom the birds have by right. I would pledge my own soul if I could buy these things. Any price, any pain, I would pay.